안녕하세요 여러분. In today's video we will learn all Korean wearing verbs. Korean is different from English because English uses only one verb wear for almost everything, while Korean chooses the verb based on where the item is worn or how it is put on your body. It is like for clothes ipta is used, for footwear shinda is used, for head and face sida is used, and like these some other verbs also. So we will go through each verb in this video. Ipta. Ipta is used to put on or wear clothing. This is the most common verb for wearing. For example, I wear a shirt. 저는 셔츠를 입어요. I wore jeans today. 오늘 청바지를 입었어요. I don't wear skirt. 저는 치마를 안 입어요. 신다. It is only used for things worn on your feet, like shoes, sneakers, boots, sandals, etc. I wear shoes. 신발을 신어요. I wear sneakers. 운동화를 신었어요. 쓰다. It is used when you wear something on your head or face. For example, hat, cap, helmet, glasses, mask, etc. For example, I wear a hat. 모자를 써요. I wear glasses. 안경을 썼어요. I don't wear a mask. 마스크를 안 써요. 하다 used when you wear accessories, for example, necklace, earrings, makeup, etc. For example, I wear a necklace. 목걸이를 해요. I wore earrings. 귀걸이를 했어요. I don't wear earrings. 귀걸이를 안 해요. 매다. It is used when you carry something on your shoulders. For example, backpack, handbag, crossbody bag, etc. I carry a backpack. 가방을 메요. I carried a backpack. 배낭을 맸어요. I don't carry a bag. 가방을 안 메요. 끼다. It is used with things you generally insert or fit. For example, rings, gloves, etc. For example, I wear a ring. 반지를 껴요. I wore gloves. 장갑을 꼈어요. I don't wear gloves. 장갑을 안 껴요. Memory tip. 입다, clothes on your body. 신다, things on your feet. 쓰다, things on your head or face. 끼다, things inserted into finger, hands or eyes. 하다 for accessories. 매다, things you carry on your shoulders.